Welcome back to Space Kids. Today, we are heading into space to visit Earth's only natural satellite, the Moon. The Moon has been a source of wonder for humans for thousands of years. It lights up our night sky, controls our ocean tides, and has been a symbol of mystery, beauty, and exploration throughout history. But what exactly is the Moon, and how did it get there? Let's find out. Scientists believe that billions of years ago, a huge object, possibly the size of Mars, collided with the young Earth. The impact sent a massive amount of debris into space. Over time, this debris gathered together and formed the Moon. The Moon is about 3,476 kilometers wide, roughly one quarter the size of Earth. It orbits our planet at a distance of about 384,000 kilometers. That means it takes the Moon around 27.5 days to go once around Earth. Now, let's look at what the Moon is made of. The surface of the Moon is covered with craters, mountains, valleys, and vast flat plains called maria. These maria are actually ancient lava fields, formed billions of years ago when the Moon's surface was still active. If you look at the Moon through a telescope, you can see both light and dark regions. The lighter areas are the highlands, and the darker areas are the maria. Because the Moon has almost no atmosphere, there is no air, no weather, and no protection from space rocks. So when asteroids or meteoroids hit the surface, they leave behind craters that can last forever. One interesting thing about the Moon is that it always shows us the same side. This happens because the Moon spins on its axis at the same rate that it orbits Earth, a phenomenon called synchronous rotation. That's why we never see the far side of the Moon from Earth. The Moon doesn't shine on its own. It reflects light from the Sun. The shape of the Moon that we see changes throughout the month. These are called the Moon's phases. Starting with the new Moon, the visible part of the Moon grows larger each night until it becomes a full moon. Then it slowly becomes smaller again until it disappears. These changing shapes are caused by the angle between the Earth, the Moon, and the Sun. The Moon has also been the destination of one of humanity's greatest adventures. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the Moon during NASA's Apollo 11 mission. His famous words were, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Since then, only 12 astronauts have walked on the Moon, but many spacecraft and robots have explored it to learn more about its surface and history. The Moon plays a vital role in life on Earth. Its gravity pulls on our oceans, creating the tides. Without the Moon, our planet's rotation and climate would be very different. Even today, scientists are studying the Moon closely. Future missions are being planned to build lunar bases and use the Moon as a stepping stone for human travel to Mars and beyond. The Moon may seem small compared to the Sun, but it remains one of the most fascinating and important bodies in our sky. It reminds us that even in darkness, there is always light. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the Moon. Stay tuned for our next adventure as we continue exploring the wonders of space, right here on Space Kids.